The expression is 3 root t plus t root 2. It is constant value. Root 2t we can write, and its power is 1. It is 1 term. 3 root 2 raised to power 1 by 2. It has more than 1 term, it's okay. Variable has t, it's okay. Variable has in 1 term is positive power. Variable has in second term, power in fraction, power in so it is not a polynomial. Good.